Hey guys, Ahki Taylor here for GoChefAhki.com, and you are at home with me in the electric kitchen where I'm going to be making some delicious meals for you that are plant-based and alkaline also. Today, I'm going to be using a phenomenal ingredient called Fonio. This is a superfood ancient grain by Earth Goodness Fonio. This product is a phenomenal alternative to whatever hot breakfast cereals that you usually prefer, but it's going to be gluten-free. So amazing, right? So today we're going to be making one of my most favorite recipes, and it is my rendition of shrimp and grits. Now, I know a lot of people don't know what to eat in the mornings when they're transitioning into a plant-based diet, but trust me, this is going to be not only easy, but it's going to be delicious. Are you ready to cook with me? Thank you guys so much for joining me in the Electric Kitchen for this phenomenal recipe sponsored by Earth Goodness Fonio. I hope that you'll make it at home and that hopefully you will like, subscribe, and share this video. If you want more recipes like this, make sure to go to GoChefAhki.com, my YouTube of course, and electricmasterclass.com.